Greece's plan to create marine parks to protect marine life has been met with mixed reactions from neighboring country Turkey and environmental groups. Israel should stand down to avoid a regional war in West Asia. Security forces in Chhattisgarh killed at least 29 Maoists, including possibly some senior leaders, in the largest encounter in the state's history. The Supreme Court's recent stance on electronic voting machines and paper ballots reflects a debate over the accuracy and transparency of the electoral process, with concerns raised about voter confidence and the need for verifiable voting methods. The Indian government says it can't provide the number of applications for CAA citizenship since there's no legal requirement to track them. The context here is the ongoing debate and concerns regarding electronic voting machines in India, focusing on transparency, accuracy, and voter confidence in the electoral process, along with proposed reforms to enhance the robustness of the voting system. The Asian Development Bank recently warned that India could face imported inflation as the rupee could depreciate amid the rise in interest rates in the West. The International Monetary Fund revised its growth forecast for India's economy upwards, citing strong domestic demand and resilience in the global economy. The India Meteorological Department's forecast of an above-average monsoon is positive for the economy, but the uneven distribution of rainfall across the country could still pose risks to agriculture and inflation. Mauritius is making it more difficult and time-consuming to set up offshore funds, potentially impacting India-focused funds.